Nevada mountains. We're just out of Lone Pine on the way to Independence, but I just had to stop. Look at the beauty of those mountains. Hey. 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 We're going to Eric Shat's bakery. Whoa, look at this place. This thing's huge.
Wow.
Holy smoke. Burgers bread, brewers. Wow, look at all these breads. This is incredible. Everybody's in line for a sandwich. Hey, how you doing? They're making sandwiches There we go, the honey squaw bread. My mom used to buy this back when this was a little tiny bakery. Extra sour. Churros. Ooh, Dutch raisin. I know it. I'm blown away. This place is so gigantic. There's so many breads here.
I know. No wonder why everybody comes here.
Well, to tell you the truth, I don't remember all this from when I was a kid. It wasn't that big of a bakery. Gee, really? Oh, and then they got the good stuff over here. Candies, tarts, donuts. This is the most comprehensive bakery I've ever seen. This is incredible. What do you think?
It's so hard to choose.
It is, huh?
Incredible, yes. All these decorative.
Oh, look at that. Cinnamon rolls. Gingerbread boys. Marzipan. Pies. And pies. And pies. And
Almond
pies.
paste coffee cake.
Oh, that'd probably be really good.
Look at the cookies.
I know it.
They look good.
Swiss pecan crisps. I haven't seen those. Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Craziness. There are so many things here I want to buy.
Me too.
But bread.
Yeah, and we're gonna stay with cookies.
Yeah,
Cinnamon.
but we should be getting one of everything. I mean, yeah, sugar-free items. Get away from me. Give me the real sugar stuff.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see this.
You know, I'm not the only one. Everybody else is just kind of mystified at everything that there is here. It smells too.
It's awesome.
Man, oh man.
I'm glad we don't live here.
No kidding.
Look at the cow, Snoop.
It's Owens River going past us.
He's looking at the
Oh
cow.
yeah, he's tripping out on him.
He actually sees it.
Here, you want to get down for a while? Look around. There's a car coming. What county is this?
County?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Inyo County, right?
Yeah, we were in Inyo.
Inyo County.
Right.
Look what it says right there. City of Los Angeles, private property.
It says,
Los Angeles owns a lot of this property around here.
well, so what does that mean? Mean anything?
That means they've been spending county money and city money out here buying property.
Instead of prevent water?
Yeah, I think they might have bought the airport too here. Volcano. Real slow, you gotta look out for deer.
Run away.
It was a big buck, wasn't it?
How did it go?
I think it had about 7 or 8 points on it. It was big. That's pretty much the shot I wanted, right there. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at all the lava. We have clouds moving in on our day. There's going to be this big, huge storm tomorrow. You can see it starting to come in over the mountains. But look at this cool building in front of me. This is the historic Mount Whitney Fish Hatchery. It was in 1916 that the townfolk of the city of Independence, they bought 40 acres here. Then they built this building and gave it over to the state of California. And what we have is a 40-acre fish farm where they raise trout for all the California lakes and rivers. It looks like some of the equipment here is in a little bit of disrepair, don't you think? Something tells me that this is more of a historical site. They don't raise fish here anymore. They did when I was a kid. In fact, I was remembering it from when I was a kid, and in my head thinking that they had the same operations going, but they probably had to move it to a bigger location because California trout demand became so high. Now that's my guess. Ooh, look at that big old bird's nest up in there. Look at this building. Look at those big timbers. How you like the cold weather, Tammy?
I love it.
Yeah, she was freezing earlier, and it's not even snowing yet. Well, let's go in the gift shop, see if they got anything there for them. I don't think this is open. Closed due to weather. Okay, nice stones. Look at the masonry on this building. You don't see too many buildings like this anymore in Southern California. Saw plenty back east, right?
What?
Back in Pennsylvania.
Oh, yeah. Lot
But
of buildings like this.
this was the Mount Whitney Fish Hatchery.
That one's
Look
really
at the
big.
size of that trout. Holy smokes, that's big. Get out of here, ducks. We want to see the fish. That means fish. Leave. That's right. Look at the size of that trout. It's a boat. It is an absolute boat. Okay, tell me about Mount Whitney Fish Hatchery.
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. The Mount Whitney Fish Hatchery is an historic fish hatchery that has played an important role in the preservation of the golden trout, California's state fish.
The thing's a whale. Yeah, it's really bad they can't go back in there.
Nope.
The road's closed, so this is as close to the Whitney Portal we get.
But it's gorgeous.
It's 8 minutes that way.
It's gorgeous here.
Boy, no kidding, but we were just getting up to the gorgeous part. Look at this valley here. This is the Owens Valley. It is absolutely gorgeous. So, what do you think of the Sierras?
I think it's awesome.
They are
It's
awesome.
beautiful, and I'm glad it became this time of year.
I haven't been up here since I was a little kid. And I was 13 last time I was up here.
It's been on your bucket list to get
Dang.
back.
And I'm sorry, I'm not talking to you guys. I'm looking past you guys because, well, look. I mean, wouldn't you look past a camera too? Good gosh. And the places we went to today were fantastic.
Yeah,
Hey,
it was a wonderful day.
and yes, speaking of a wonderful day, we're going to leave you right here. This is Mr. and Mrs.
Illuminator 5'9".
I wasn't going to say that. I was going to say this is Mr. and Mrs. L59 on the channel Luinator, your favorite channel. You like how I threw that in? It is your favorite channel. You keep coming back for more and more, and we keep bringing you better stuff every time,
And
too.
come back more.
Hey, by the way, visit our merchandise shop. Pick up a nice shirt. Hey, check it out. Check it out. I'm wearing the Luinator 5'9" Rhino shirt right now. God, shameless, huh? But how else are we supposed to pay for our travels? You know, buy a church. Go buy a big church. No, buy a shirt. Help us get along the way. And that's all we ask. Go down and comment. Give us some comments. We love to read your comments. And we love all of our viewers around the world, actually.
To Roadside Rick and
To Roadside Rick in Connecticut.
Our pal.
We miss you, buddy.
Yeah, we do.
So anyways, be a good human. And if you can't be good, be better.
Right.
And if you can't be better,
Try harder.
yeah, try harder. Hey, the world needs good people.
Okay, kiss time.
Don't let us and you be the last good people on earth. Teach people to be good by just being a good human.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
It's quite a storm coming in. It's going to be snowing on us tomorrow. And definitely raining on the way out. Who knows, maybe we'll drive up here and get into the snow coming down. We've come all the way up here to the tallest mountain from all the way down on the other side of those mountains, down in Death Valley, to where it's below sea level. All the way up to 14,000 feet up there.